My name is Todd Wilbur. I'm a food hacker, and I'm setting out to crack the codes to the most secret recipes in the country. But for each one, I've got only a few days to figure it out. Crazy? Maybe. But this is my mission. As I crisscross the country in my mobile food lab, I'll use my taste buds, a little science, undercover work, and I'll even get down and dirty to reveal the recipes you love to eat. So, let's get cracking. I'm here in Michigan, where I'm about to take on one of America's most iconic home delivery favorites, Domino's Pizza. It took Domino's chefs over 2 years to develop their new recipe, and I'm going to do it in just a few days. This one is going to be tough. In 1960, Domino's began as a small pizza shop just outside Ann Arbor, Michigan. And since then, it's grown into the world leader in pizza delivery with over 9,000 stores in 65 countries. 400 million pies are delivered every year in the United States alone. Today, Domino's headquarters stands just down the street from where it all began, and I'm heading in there right now to begin my investigation. So, my investigation begins here at this beautiful Domino's corporate headquarters, where I've got a meeting with CEO Patrick Doyle. He knows what I'm trying to do, but I still might be able to get some inside info from him. Here to see Patrick Doyle.
Okay. Do you have an appointment?
I do. Todd Wilbur.
Perfect. I will let him know that you're here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look, evolution of pizza making and delivery. Edge stretching, 2 size. That's what I got to figure out right there. How to do that.
Todd, Patrick Doyle.
Patrick.
Great to meet you.
Thanks for meeting me. Thank you. I was just looking around here. I can't look away. Oven cook time, 7 minutes. That's important right there.
We got to turn that off.
I know. Can we record that, please? Tell me about some of the stuff in here. What is all this?
That's actually a picture of the very first store in Ypsilanti, Michigan. So you can see kind of the original design and the original logo back then, and that's probably Mr. Monahan in there making pizzas.
No way. Yeah. Where is it?
Ypsilanti, Michigan. So it's just a couple miles down the road.
Ypsilanti, Michigan. Yeah. Is it still there?
Absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Interesting.
Yeah. Dominic's was the original name when they bought it on Cross Street, and then they changed it to Domino's, I think, after about a year.
Is there somewhere we can go to talk pizza?
Sure. Yeah. Well, yeah. Let's go up to my office, and then we can talk about it.
Beautiful. After you. Lead the way.
So have a seat. Is there anything I can get for you?
Yeah, how about the Domino's recipe?
No, you got to work hard on that. We can give you a few hints.
Okay. Well, honestly, Domino's is my favorite pizza, so that's why we're here.
Well, thank you.
I ate this pizza all through college, but that was a different recipe back then. You guys have changed it. And why'd you do that?
You know what? People told us that there was room to improve it, so we listened to them, and we spent almost 2 years working on the new recipes.
2 years. So you worked on this thing for 2 years, and I get a few days.
Yeah.
You don't seem worried at all that I'm going to be doing this.
I think it's going to be very tough.
Yeah.
I think it's brutal.
Brutal?
I think it's brutal. Yeah.
What would be great is if I could talk to someone in your R&D department, someone like that.
Brandon Solano is the right person. He's over all of our food development and innovation, and I'll have him meet you in the lobby, and we'll see if we can get you into the R&D area. All right?
That would be amazing.
Terrific.
Okay, right. Good.
Todd, thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Patrick.
Good to meet you.
Hey, Todd. Brandon Solano.
Hey, Brandon.
Head chef, welcome to Domino's.
Thanks for seeing me. Oh, this is great.
So, authorized personnel only. We're heading into the test kitchen. Let me introduce you to somebody. This is Roxanne. She's our head pizza chef.
Nice to meet you.
So what are you doing here?
Well, I'm just making some pizzas right here, but first we're going to get you washed up and get you an apron so you don't get all dirty.
Can I do that?
Well, every good pizza starts with a really good pizza crust. So here is our hand-tossed fresh dough. I'll give you this one.
Okay. Oh, it's very cold.
It's very cold.
So you'll use cold dough? You'll start with cold dough?
It's been out of the cooler just long enough to prove to the right texture for us to stretch it.
Can I touch that
Absolutely.
too? That's a super fine cornmeal.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. You don't have to roll it.
We do not roll our dough, no. Nope, it's all hand stretched. Everything is handcrafted. We're going to pick it up, shake a little cornmeal off, and put it right down on our pizza screen.
Now, where does this dough come from? How do you make that?
Well, we make our own dough. It's a secret recipe. We make it, in a central location. It's called our supply chain center.
Supply chain center?
Yeah. This is our pizza sauce.
Right.
We're going to drop it right into the center.
Did you do 1 spoonful of sauce?
I did. This is actually called a spoodle.
Spoodle?
A spoodle.
So in one motion, you can get the sauce on and spread it. We invented it.
You invented this?
Yeah.
Before I cover this with cheese, I want to ask you about the sauce, okay?
Sure. There's tomatoes in it.
Okay, good. There's tomatoes. We know that.
The new sauce it's brighter. It's a little bit sweeter. It's got a lot more herbs.
There's maybe a little spiciness to it, has a little after hit.
Yeah, and that's pepper.
Cayenne pepper?
I'm just gonna go with pepper.
Now we're gonna get into our pizza cheese right here.
Now, what's in that cheese?
This cheese, this is primarily mozzarella cheese with a little bit of provolone.
Okay.
But that's all I'm gonna tell you.
So, how much of it is mozzarella and how much is provolone?
I don't know.
You do know.
I do know.
Don't lie to me.
Now we're gonna take our pizzas and we're gonna go put them into the oven.
Okay.
We're
All
gonna
right.
put it right on the conveyor.
Tell me about this. What kind of oven is this?
These are our conveyor ovens.
We have a special configuration with the way the heat comes down on the pizza. Yeah, if you look in here, you can see the air vents, okay?
Right.
Those are at the right angle and the right size to make the perfect Domino's pizza.
Heat from above and below?
Yes.
Yeah.
And do you have these made especially for you?
Yes.
Do you have one I could borrow?
An oven?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Looks like I'm on my own in the track oven department.
That's a good looking pizza.
Grab pizza peel.
Okay.
Bring them over. Set the pizza down. Put the peel between the pizza.
I'm gonna just grab a bite, okay?
Let's try one.
Oh, that's beautiful crust. All right. That is awesome. Okay, so got my crash course. I think I can duplicate that pizza in 3 days.
3 days.
That's all I've got, 3 days.
It took us years to develop this recipe, working with a team of people. If you could do it in 3 days, I would be shocked.
Well, that's what I'm gonna try and do. And we'll set up a panel of judges, right? We'll serve your pizza and my pizza. And if they can't tell the difference, and I win, what do I get?
You get pizza for a year.
Yeah.
But if you lose, you're going to deliver for us all day on Saturday. It's our busiest day of the week. All right. It's a deal?
Deal.
All right. Good luck.
All right, so is it okay if I take these?
Yeah, go ahead. Take
All
those, study them.
Okay. Thanks, guys. All right.
Hey, where's the sauce?
Oh, hey, Tom,
I gotta
we need
get-
that. No. We need that sauce back. Come on.
What sauce? This sauce?
Come on. Yeah.
I thought you said I could have that.
No. You got to duplicate it. That's what you do. You'll be fine.
All right, thanks, bud.
Yeah. Think he's going to do it?
Not a chance.
No way.
No
Tough.
way.
I'm here on the Domino's man couch. I've got pizza, coolers, 2 screens. I am not moving, and neither should you. Stay tuned. Yo, more pizza. It looks great. Look at this. It's got a nice golden brown. Gotta figure out how to fold the box right. Okay, we got a delivery. Let's go. All right, let's go. Quick. What? Where? No running. That's crazy. All right, it's showtime. I brought my pizza, Roxanne.
I brought mine as well.
Yeah, so you ready?
I am.
Okay, I guess this is it, right?
This is it.
I had 2 days to clone your dough, which you have to admit was kind of ridiculous.
The dough is tough. Tell you what, I got an idea. You get 1 out of 3.
Yeah.
We give you pizza for a year, and we will give away 1,000 pizzas.
Yeah,
It'll be
really?
1,000 happy people.
If I win one, if I get one person to say they're fooled, that's a victory for me.
Is that a deal?
Deal.
All right.
Okay. Yes. All right, so Brandon, who are our judges here today?
All right, this is our esteemed judging panel. We have Josh. He's a local fitness trainer and a 3-time-a-week Domino's pizza orderer. That's going to be tough.
Oh, wow.
Okay. In the middle here from Washington, D.C., we have Mary Lynn, who is a Domino's franchisee and our best franchisee on the planet. Good luck with that one. Okay. And then down the end here, we have Andrew, who is our local fraternity guy / pizza monger. And, he's going to be pretty tough, too.
Okay. When I give you the go-ahead, open your boxes and take a bite of each one. Take your time. One of them is the clone. One of them is the real Domino's pizza. When you've decided which is the real Domino's, the one you think is the real Domino's, push that one forward. All right, you guys ready?
We're ready.
Okay, let's open your boxes and eat. Feel free to take your time. The sauce is good?
The sauce is pretty good.
It's a big slice. Mary Lynn.
Oh my gosh.
Mary Lynn, you have to get this one right.
Really intense pressure at this moment.
You are?
We knew the background.
No pressure.
This is great. Push forward the box that you think is Domino's. Okay. And Andrew, what do you think? Josh. Still undecided. I like Josh. Mary Lynn, let's pull the question mark off of the box you pushed forward. Obviously, a lot of Domino's pizza fans in the audience. Andrew, before we do that, how hard was it to choose?
I went back and forth a lot, but from any experience, if I had to pick what I thought was Domino's, I wanted more garlic on it. And for some reason, I remember anytime I had Domino's, I feel like there's a garlicky taste to it. So I went with that one. So I don't know what I got here, but we'll see.
So what you're saying is it was very close.
It was close. They're both good. They're both good.
Andrew, let's pull that question mark off of the box. You pushed forward and... I thought I had that one. Okay. Josh, this is it.
If you guessed my pizza, I win the bet. Free pizza for a year and 1,000 pizzas from my fans. If not, I lose this challenge.
Let's tear that question mark off of the box you pushed forward. Hotto's Pizza! Yes! Yes! I got one.
Well done.
The wager. Okay, so
1 out of 3.
I got one.
Which means you get free pizza for a year.
And
1,000 pizzas for your fans.
yes! Thank you guys. Really, thank you very much for letting me do this. Thank you, Brandon. And thank you to our judges. Thank you, everybody. Thanks.
If you'd like a chance to win Domino's Pizza, go to topsecretrecipe.cmt.com.